This is our room at the Royal Pacific.
Should you give us a tour?
Let's give you a tour. Should we start with the outside? This is our pool view. The windows look quite dirty, but I don't know if that's the humidity.
I think that's, yeah.
Could be, couldn't it? This is the pool.
Different
Kids
size.
play
We were over there last time, weren't we? Looking
Yeah,
at.
that's nice. A lovely chair, lamp. Here, desk. USB chargers, lovely.
Always good. And there's USBs by the bed as well.
Yes, finally. Big beds. I think these are 2 queen size beds. I like these lamps. Aren't they pretty? Aren't they fun? Huge television. Again, like the last hotel. What have we got in here? We've got a fridge, coffee maker. Come on. Fridge, coffee maker, drawers. Ooh, the safe.
And look,
A reading
a
light.
handy reading light.
Here we go. It's got an iron board, thingy rack. That's quite small. Is your Mac gonna fit in there?
Yeah, it'll fit in there.
It'll fit in there. Iron, extra bedding.
Just note, these Fiji waters aren't free. They're $7.50 each.
$7.50 a bottle. Joining room.
Yay.
Sink, toiletries. Yeah. Towels, hairdryer.
Hairdryer.
And then this sliding door. Toilet, bathtub, shower curtain.
Quite a nice big tub actually, isn't it?
Yeah. This room's so much bigger than the last one. We can stay here last.